How to add a story on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure that your WhatsApp application is updated to its latest version to avoid any sort of glitches while using the app on your device. So just go for Play Store and search for the application. Now tap on the app and you can see that I don't have any option of update in this application, so just I'm gonna tap on open and it will lead me to the home page. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tap on updates and you can see my status over here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tap on the three dotted lines over here, or you can just directly go to the my status section. Here you can just click a picture and you can tap on the send button over here. Tap on that and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.